Welcome to how to check Google Photos. So in this video we are going to show you how to check Google Photos that are backed up. So before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all what you're gonna have to do, you will open up Google Photos app in your iOS or Android, and then what you're gonna have to do then make sure that the backup is turned on. Okay, so you will just basically tap on your profile picture here and then tap on Google Photos settings, and then here you can see that right now my backup is turned off, so make sure that your backup is turned on. And once you do this, then you will go into this library option here, and in here you will see all the pictures that are backed up in your Google Photos account. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.